The reason for why you can't stick to a habit or a goal is because you are focused on extrinsic motivations as compared to intrinsic motivations. In other words, you are focused on the actual destination and not the process itself. Let's take me making YouTube videos, for instance. If I'm focused solely on viewers and likes, this is not going to be sustainable whatsoever. Because as you probably see, it's not like I get 1 million views every video. I don't even get 100 views a video. But I understand that this is an extrinsic motivation, which is not sustainable. So if I'm focused on only doing YouTube, if I get X results, then when I don't get these results, I'm going to quit. Instead, I'm actually focused on the process, and I love the process. And what the process is actually making the videos, editing the videos, making the thumbnails for the videos. This is the actual process. And if I were to completely just ignore this part and only focus on when I got a certain reward, like 1,000 likes, then when I don't get 1,000 likes on a video, I'm gonna feel so demotivated that I'm gonna wanna quit. And that's the reason that many people do quit with their new goals or their new habits or new hobbies. They're way too focused on getting a certain result, and they're not actually paying attention to the process itself. If you don't enjoy the process, give up on it. You need to enjoy the process so much that it doesn't matter the results that you get. You just enjoy doing it for what it is, the intrinsic value that it has in your life. The main issue starts when people can't really see a benefit in the process. They don't get enjoyment from the process. So with working out, for example, a lot of people don't like it, but they do it just because they want to be in shape. They want to lose a certain amount of weight. They want to get a six-pack. So when they don't enjoy the actual process of working out and they're only doing it for a result, after 6 months, when they don't see that result, when they don't see that they have a six-pack, they're going to probably just stop entirely, because they don't realize that you need to be obsessed with the actual process itself to make it sustainable. If you don't need a six-pack, if you're just fine going to the gym and knowing that you're making progress, even if you can't see it, then you're going to be able to sustain your goal of going to the gym every single day or every other day, whatever it may be. You'll find that after you actually work out consistently, you will start to like it. You'll start to enjoy the process of knowing that you're getting better there. You'll probably even enjoy the pain of working out. There's a reason that over 90% of podcasters quit before video 3. It's because they see that they're not getting the viewers that they wanted, and so then they're just completely demotivated. They were only starting the podcast in hopes that they would actually get money for it or get viewers from it. What you need to do if you are really trying to adopt a new hobby or a new habit or a goal, focus on the process itself so that it doesn't even matter if you don't get the results right away. The results will just be an added factor, an added benefit of doing it. It's not the main cause for you doing that habit. Don't just listen to this video that does nothing. I'm telling you right now, write down or type how this can apply to you. Hope that this helps, and I know that it will once you do that. But that being said, I'm out. Peace.